So my name is James Whitehurst and I'm from Leoni. For me it's all about building a toolkit, and I think we're getting a lot of stuff here that enables that. Some of the tools we're learning is stuff I've learned in the past. What I think is great about this is learning more how to integrate it into the teams and into day-to-day work. So for me, I want to get to know my team better and understand them. I think I'm a relatively new team leader, and I think I've kind of come in and measured everybody by my measuring stick, but we're not all working from the same point. So yeah, I want to better apply what we've been learning to get to know them better. So I've been here, the course is my first time here, but we've done one face-to-face previously, so we've been on site once before, and I think it's great. I think there's a lot of great facilities. It's much bigger than I was expecting. Everything's a lot more spread out, but yeah, no, everything's really nice, and everybody's super accommodating as well.